Hi guys, welcome or welcome back. I'm Tanisha and this is Twin Mom on a Budget, where double the love meets financial freedom. Join me on this incredible journey as I navigate the twin mom life while conquering debt one step at a time. From budgeting hacks to cash stuffing to tackling my debt, I'm here to share my experience and hopefully inspire others to crush their financial goals. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be cash planning for the second week of December. I am late once again. Oh my gosh, it feels like it's been so hard to get back into the swing of things. Plus, I just keep getting slammed with more and more meetings all day long. And the twins, they've been having a rough week. But I'm gonna keep pushing. I'm determined to get back on track. Okay, so this week we are cash planning for, I messed up, $713. So let's go ahead and get started because, again, I am behind in filming and I have a lot of catching up to do very quickly. Okay, so we're going straight into my wallet. And I hope everyone's having a great week. I am so looking forward to this weekend when I do absolutely nothing. It's supposed to be raining this weekend, which is perfect. I haven't even decorated my tree. And that is not like me. Normally, like the weekend after Thanksgiving, I'm decorating. But of course, I was traveling back from Virginia. And now, again, it's just been a crazy week. So that is one of my plans this weekend is to get my decorating done, the little bit I can do. And just, I don't know, get in the Christmas spirit. But I added a different, I'm trying to work with my setup here. I felt like my last cash stuffing was a little empty. So I wanted to add a little bit more Christmassy things playing around. So, all right, let's get started. All right, so dining out, as always, I went ahead and wrote all the categories I'll be stuffing this week just to make it a little bit easier. And so dining out will be getting 20. So that'll be 2 tens. And guys, we actually have, I can't wait to do my cash stuffing because we actually have the most rollover I've ever had since I started cash stuffing. I just didn't need to buy a whole lot of things this week, even though like we're coming back from vacation because we were gone a week. I had things in my freezer that I could make. I mean, I ran to the grocery store and got a few things like, fruits, some vegetables, but a lot of like meats and everything I had in my freezer, so we may do. So it's great. Essentials is getting 25. That'd be a 5 and a 20. Groceries is getting its normal 175. So that's gonna be a 5, a 20, and 350s. Now spending this is for my spending. I'm only giving myself $5 this week. I want to see what I can do. Because all I do is waste it on junk. So let's do $5 for my spending, and then twins, they will get their normal $10. And then that is everything for my wallet. So let's see where we are. So we start off with 713. Yes, that's right. So 475 remaining. So yeah, I didn't even get to tell you guys much. I didn't kind of go into detail about the trip, but we had a lot of fun. My friend that I stayed with, she had Thanksgiving dinner at her house on Wednesday night. So I had Thanksgiving Wednesday night with her at her house with her family. It was just a small gathering, which was perfect. Then Thursday, of course, Thanksgiving with my family, my sister-in-law and brother hosted at their home. So my sister-in-law's family was there, plus some of their neighbors, which was so good. Tons and tons of great food. Atmos is next. This is my bills binder. So Atmos is getting 31. So a 1, a 10, and a 20. And then Friday, we used to do when I lived there and my family stopped it, and I told them when I come back, we are doing all of our family traditional stuff. Car insurance is getting 44. So we have 4 ones and 2 20s. We do Christmas decorating the Friday after, but we always make different food. We're like, we don't want to have Thanksgiving food. We do different food. So I made some crab dip and I had made mini apple pies. My niece made some seafood gumbo, which was absolutely delicious. Um, my grandmother's from Bogalusa, Louisiana, so we love some gumbo. And the crab legs she had in there, oh my gosh, they were already like split, which was amazing. And they were so meaty. Oh, so good. Co-serve is getting 63. So that's 3 ones, a 10, and a 50. And then what else did we have? My mom made grilled chicken pasta salad. My sister-in-law made these baked chicken wings, but they tasted like fried chicken. So me and my younger sister were like, how did you do this? Because this tastes amazing and they're healthy and they're not greasy. Because I use my air fryer, but these were definitely different. So I definitely want to try. Monthly subs is getting 21, so that's a 1 and a 20. So the food was just amazing. We had so much fun. Well, not all the grandkids, but majority of the grandkids were there. Spectrum's getting 15, a 5, and a 10. And it was just a lot of fun, just really putting us all in this spirit. So we did it at my younger sister's and her husband's house and just had a great time. T-Mobile is next, and that's getting 60. So that'll be a 10 and a 50. So I'm just to say I am exhausted from just all the activities we did, plus driving back. So I am looking forward to a weekend of nothingness. So yeah, let me know down in the comments um, what you did for Thanksgiving and what your plans are for this weekend. Trash and water is getting 33. So it'll be a 3, a 10, and a 20. I did get my nails done. I absolutely love this. I really love the plaid when I did it with the orange. And so I did it with this pretty chocolate brown. Just love it. I was like, oh. All right, Vivint is getting 13. And I went shorter because 3 ones and a 10. I don't know what I don't think I was paying attention the last time I got my nails done, and they were definitely too long because I actually hit this nail really bad. And it's actually like it hurts still. She was like, and she saw it like when she took off, she was like, oh, you definitely hit it. And I'm like, yeah, I was in my meeting and somehow hit it against my desk. So yeah, because it was throbbing when I did it. Okay, oh, let's see where we are before we go into my high priority sinking funds. Okay, 198 remaining. Let's see. And our high priority sinking funds, we're going to go into diapers, and diapers is going to get 25, a 5, and a 20. Grocery buffer is going to get 15, so that is a 5 and a 10. And I'm excited. I have so much rollover, so I'll talk to you guys in my cash stuffing about what I'm going to do with the rollover that I have from this past week. Household is getting 5. And then we'll go to personal hygiene. This is getting $10. And that's everything from my high priority sinking funds. Now let's see where we are. 143 remaining. And so next up is my low priority sinking funds. And we're going to go to Costco. And we're going to put in 25, so that's a 5 and a 20. Let's see, next up is family memberships. That's going to give 5. Fitness is going to get $10. Then health is going to get 5. Nails is getting 35. That's a 5, a 10, and a 20. And then Noah Savings is getting 10. That's a $10 bill. And Naraya is also getting 10 for her savings. And this will actually put us, I think we're going to be going to our 200. So we'll definitely need to be doing a condensing soon. And then twins will get $5. Okay, and so that is everything from my lower party sinking fund. So let's see what we have left. $38. So, oops. All right. Next up is my special occasions binder. We do have to prepare for my nephew's birthday coming up. So we're going to be adding in $5 to birthday. And then I wanted to add, I broke my Christmas envelope, like it just completely ripped. Next is New Year's. Want to put in 5 for that. Get ready for that because that will be here in just a few weeks. And then Valentine's Day will also be getting a 5. Okay, and that's just $15. So we have $23 left. That's going into savings challenges. Huge difference than before my trip. But it is what it is. All right. First up, Santa Baby. I'm going to go ahead and add in the final $5 to this one. This is from Budget with Maddie. It's so cute. This is just $25 savings challenge, which is great. Next up is Winter Reindeer from Lowit Soft Life Budgeting. We owe it $10. So we'll do a 10. And then lastly, we're kind of coming down to the end of the year. So just trying to finish out the savings challenges I have now. And then in the new year, we will start new. And then, so this is another one from Lowit Soft Life Budgeting. It's a $50 savings challenge. We owe it $8 for it's beginning to cost a lot like Christmas. And so that'd be 3 ones and a 5. And I had to put it like this way in order for it to stand up. If I put it the other way, it falls. Okay, so let's see what we have. And we did it, y'all. Awesome. So now, got this out the way. We are getting ready to cash stuff for the second week of December. I'm excited, getting just back on track. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, please like. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I will be showcasing in my next video talking about my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I did not forget, guys. It's just been a crazy week, like I said, but I definitely want to get that done before the end of the year so I can get the prizes out for next year. And I've actually added, at first I was going to do 2 prizes. Now I'm going to do 3. I'm just waiting on one thing to come, but I think I'm going to go ahead and just show it to you guys and then it'll be fine. So thank you guys so much. And until next time, bye.